never seems to have any money in it, and it could be because of this. Hey man, you wanna go grab some food quickly? You do know we went out literally 2 nights ago. Yeah, and? Good point, I'm on my way. Or perhaps this. Come on. What are you doing? Just waiting for my monthly paycheck to come in, and it just did. Okay. Right, I'm off on holiday, see you in 2 weeks. So weird, these guys never seem to have any money. Right? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 of the most powerful habits that you can start in 2023 that's gonna make your wallet uncomfortable to sit on. Oh, no, I'm kidding, I don't have a wallet. Actually, I'm not gonna teach you, because these guys are. Was that a turtle? What? No, that was a tortoise. I'm gonna start with a habit that's so simple to learn that I'm gonna let a 2-year-old teach it to you. Meet the Sethmeister.
Hello.
Oh, that is my nephew. It's not just a random 2-year-old that I picked up off the street. You see, Seth and I both have a love of building blocks. Well, I love building them, and he likes destroying them. Now, we could sit here all day watching Seth knock down my towers, but first, that wouldn't make a great video. And second is, you're probably confused as to how this is a money habit. Imagine this tower resembled your income. Pow! No more income. Now, imagine your income looks like this with multiple sources. Your income is still standing. I can't believe that actually worked. And that's the first habit that you should be starting in 2023. You see, we live in an age where a stable job just doesn't exist anymore. Building several income sources is one of the best ways to ensure money keeps flowing in, regardless of the surprises. Gotta do what the 2-year-old says. So let's now take our next lesson from not only an adult, but a really good looking one. Meet Kevin. Anyway, Kevin's always thought that he's the shit. He had a good job, good car, but then one day...
Today is going to be another great day in paradise. Why is it so cold? That looks expensive. Yeah, Mum, the boiler's broken. I really need money because I've got no savings, but I need to get to work now. What?
And there lies the second habit that you really need to learn. Unlike Kevin, save for nothing.
That's actually a good idea.
Now, let's talk about somebody that's probably one of the main reasons that you're broke as right now. And you've definitely never heard of him. So there's this guy called Will, and he's in the office for yet another late night of working, when he realizes, yo, I'm freaking starving right now, but I still got loads of work to do. So he does the same thing that he does every night. Time to go to Tesco to get my usual late night sandwich. And this cycle goes on and on until one day he realizes, what if I could get dinner delivered to me on an app? So he and his mate Greg go and decide to actually build this app. And turns out they named it Deliveroo, baby. Nice story. Don't see how it's relevant. Well, in solving one of the world's biggest problems, they created one of your biggest problems. They made it super simple for you to order food using that device in your hand, which makes you way more inclined to get food from a restaurant rather than cook it for yourself. And not only that, when you order food on Deliveroo, not only are you paying the price of paying for a takeaway, but you're also paying for an inflated price set by Deliveroo because you know they need to make money somehow, and it's even more expensive than going to eat inside of a restaurant. Whew. So, if you're looking for a habit that's going to put money back into your wallet, let's try more of this and less of this. Deliveroo, baby. Come on, no, seriously, give me your phone. One sec. I'm just watching this hilarious video. You're meant to be learning money habits, though. This is teaching me about money. If you didn't guess, you're about to learn a money habit from the tortoise and the hare. That's a pretty good segue. But first, let's run our own version of the experiment. See the lesson there? No? Let me give you a hint. Warren Buffett took everything he knew about money from the tortoise, and now he has 100 billion. Don't believe me? Well, here's some secret footage from 1924 that proves it. Okay, everybody, did you watch the video I sent you last night of the tortoise and the hare?
Yes!
Great. So what money lessons did you learn? I just bet all of my money for a tortoise to win the Grand National. Oh my God. I decided to adopt 100 tortoises. Sorry, what? No, you've all missed the point completely. The lesson is to become more like the tortoise. The tortoise. Instead of focusing on getting rich quickly like the hare, focus on a long-term strategy to build wealth, like the tortoise. That's never gonna work. Well, guess what? It did. So, be more tortoise. Time for another challenging question. What does a tortoise and Justin Bieber have in common? Nothing really. I just need an excuse to show you this video of Justin Bieber from about 7 years ago.
I'm not
So
gonna
do you
wear
just wear them once and just throw them out?
them. Yeah.
Do you seriously?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. I definitely don't wear them twice.
No.
There's so many.
Are you serious? You wear a pair of underpants once and then you throw it out.
Yeah.
That's the life.
No, the lesson isn't to throw away your pants each time you wear them. But it's actually not that far off it, to be honest. Whilst I'm not binning my CKs every week, I do throw away those cheap Amazon socks all the time. What if instead I actually forked out and bought a decent pair of socks? Welcome to cheap versus expensive sock. This cheap Amazon sock costs me 75p. I can wear it about 5 times, which means it's about 15p per use. This beautiful Nike sock costs me £4, but if it lasts me more than 27 times, it becomes cheaper than the Amazon sock per use. Oh, magnificent. So, I think we have our winner. This wasn't just a nice lesson about socks. When it comes to any high-use item, phones, trainers, even something like your bin, sometimes it's just better to bite the bullet, get an expensive version rather than throwing away the same cheap one every week. And if you're ready to completely level up your relationship with money, then you might want to find out what the 1% do when it comes to managing their wealth.